Here we go, maybe.
Throttle cut off.
Hobby King B17.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Turning. I know that going up screws you up. I can't stop it. Oh. I have to use some rudder down there on that end. There it goes better. I'm gonna go low. Have they taken down some more trees?
I don't know if they've done or not, man.
It looks different to me out here.
Oh no, they took some down last week. Yeah, they took that.
Okay. I knew something looked different. Oh, they took that bunch down on that ditch, didn't they? On the end down here. They didn't take down those trees, though. I'm fixing to land here. Last loop.
That's all I got too.
Gear down. 30 seconds.
Fixing to come in.
10, 9, takeoff flaps. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Well, I don't know what the hell happened there.
I don't know where you did there.
1. Time expired.
Fly by right by you. I better get myself on the ground.
Will it taxi? I know it won't. We'll try it anyhow. Maybe it will. If I can keep the speed up just a little bit. Nope, the wind ain't gonna let that tail turn.